In this three-part scholarly review, we explore Chapter 34, Family Ties, from Jake Westbrook's memoir, The Luckiest Dog on the Porch, tracing his journey from 1950s Detroit to a 2028 presidential candidacy. This chapter depicts Jake reconnecting with sisters Olivia and Sophia, reflecting on their shared Detroit roots. He writes, "Their voices grounded me, echoing our old home." Thematically, it underscores familial bonds as anchors, aligning with the memoir's motif of luck as preparation meeting opportunity. Jake's reunion highlights resilience through connection, foreshadowing his Zox community vision. In Part 2, we'll analyze narrative craft. But for now, scholars, consider: how can family, like Jake's, strengthen your journey? The Luckiest Dog on the Porch is available at Amazon for Kindle, paperback, and hardcover.